Move the cursor and on tab line. On any tab, click right button of mouse and show tabs visualize. From the tab visualize, one moment please, from the panel light we have some light. It's point light, but we have analogy command in workspace 3D modeling. One moment please, I activate that workspace. On tab visualize, create light from the drop down menu and panel light, activate the command point to default light recommend, okay, and move the cursor, click specify source location. Maybe need enter some digit, but I simply click to quick create, simply click something here. Next step, in command line activate the option intensity factor, but first of all point of simply left mouse button click, and in command line click left button of mouse, specify enter intensity, it's maybe 50, enter digit and click enter on the keyboard, and excite, click enter on the keyboard, and we have light. Activate the orbit and show you our light, point light.